The following segment is sponsored by Ted Stuckenschneider.
And welcome back to Talk of Alabama. If you're having financial issues and need someone to talk to, Ted Stuckenschneider is the guy to call. Now, he's a board-certified consumer bankruptcy attorney that's helped people really for years file bankruptcy, I think 40 years to be exact. Ted's joining us this morning. Welcome to you.
Good morning.
So what kinds of issues do you see when it comes to financial problems?
It can be just about anything. Divorce, medical issues, almost anything can cause somebody to go into a distress. I try to do it as a vocation and a ministry to help people and consult them.
40 years you've been doing it.
That's right.
And when you think back at these past 40 years, I mean, a lot of these people, it's not the end of the world. You can come back after a bankruptcy.
Absolutely.
I think some people get overwhelmed with even the word.
They do. They really do. Of course, half of America is living paycheck to paycheck.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of people that are in financial distress, and bankruptcy isn't always the best answer. So we counsel them on all of their choices and try to help them figure out what to do next. Work on their budget, all of that sort of stuff.
How would somebody know if they're able or should declare bankruptcy?
Well, the easiest way is to come see a professional. I do a free consultation so that we can analyze their situation, talk about all of their choices, whether it be a payment plan or a debt consolidation or an outright bankruptcy. But you can come back from any of that.
And you mentioned here, going through these notes, there's 5 things that you can do if you've got a financial problem. What are they?
If somebody has a problem, there are only 5 things they can do.
Only 5. What are they?
And that is either find more money, go out and get another job, or get somebody to help you with your expenses. Work on your budget to
2.
lower their expenses. Work out some sort of a payment plan.
3.
Do a bankruptcy.
4.
Or do nothing if you don't have anything that you can lose. You could be
5.
judgment proof.
Oh, okay. I understand.
If you don't have any assets somebody can take from you, you don't have to do anything.
Now, I know over the years bankruptcy law has changed. What does it look like now, and what do people need to know about bankruptcy law?
Well, in 2005, the law did change, and it made it very technically complicated. So it does take a professional to help you get through it. Although a few people file for Chapter 7 individually, a Chapter 13 payment plan is extremely complicated, and there aren't any that ever get confirmed unless they have an attorney helping them get through the plan. I teach it in law school to law students so that they can go out and help people do the same thing.
Now, you hear Chapter 11 a lot. What is
Chapter 11 is a reorganization for businesses and large cases. Chapter 13 is the reorganization for individuals. Around here it was called debtor's court. It was founded in Birmingham many years ago.
I did not know that. So 11 is for businesses, 13 is for individuals.
Correct.
Okay, gotcha. Now, what about when it comes to material items? Say your car's going to be repossessed, your home's going to be taken by the bank.
Correct. Well, if you're behind on your house payments, you can catch them up in that Chapter 13 plan. If your car's about to be repossessed, you can put it into the Chapter 13 plan, and we can restructure the payments along with all of your other debts. So we have to work on a budget as well to make sure you're going to be able to live, eat, and survive and make your payments.
Okay. No matter what, you still need to file taxes, right?
Absolutely. And tax problems, you know, this is that time of year.
Yeah.
It's tax season. Everybody needs to file for taxes. If you don't file for taxes, the taxes will never go away. If you do file for your taxes, we can work out a payment plan on them. And if after a few years, you could even discharge them in bankruptcy.
Okay. And the bottom line is, go speak to a professional, right? Because it's a free consultation. You're not going to lose anything. The website at the bottom of your screen, go to the website. You can also find a phone number there to call Ted and his team, and they can help walk you through this. And there's light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Nicole.
We appreciate it. Don't go anywhere.